that to adults because I was a tech in the adult world, and they will always go for the antecubital, even though that's the worst spot for an adult because they want to do stuff, and you can't when it's right there.
Yeah, like, why can't you? I almost was willing to let them poke me again.
Yeah.
And put my hands on.
Oh.